Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. This is Christmas card series number 4. These cards are super simple. The only time consuming is coloring of these beautiful wooden stamps from Northwoods rubber stamp ink. I use Versafine Onyx black ink and emboss it with clear embossing powder. I colored my scene image in the summer and coloring them ahead saves me a lot of time. And now I'm using my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen to add some shimmer on the night sky. I will be using DCWV Very Merry 6x6 paper pad. I chose 4 of the pattern papers. I like these papers because it's double-sided paper so you can mix and match the patterns on your cards. And now I have my Tim Holtz trimmer and I'm cutting the paper or papers at 2 1/8 inches by 5.5 inches. After I cut all my pattern papers, now it's time to adhere them on my cards. My card bases are craft cardstock cut to 11 by 4 1/4 inches and scored in half, and that will give you top folding card base. I'm also using double-sided tape and a little bit of liquid glue to make sure it's adhered well. For the sentiment, I will be using Elizabeth Craft Design Merry Christmas die. I die cut the sentiment die 3 times and stack them together to get dimension. I'm going to add the paper scraps in the middle of the card and adhere my scene image tilted to give it a character, and adhere my die cut Merry Christmas in the corner. I also used the Mama Elephant Petite Bow die set to make the red bows, and I added that on the upper part of the scene. For the inside of the cards, I will adhere a strip of pattern paper from my scraps, and I will place it on the left side. I will also add a sentiment inside the cards using Paper Tree ink, Holiday Sentiment stamp set, and I will just ink that up with Versafine Onyx black ink and stamp it in the middle inside of the cards. And lastly, I'm going to add some shimmer on the red bows and my Merry Christmas sentiments. And And my cards are complete. I love how these Christmas cards turned out. The Christmas scene stamp from Northwoods is so pretty. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.